Welcome to our countdown of the top 10 essential Python commands for beginners. These commands are the foundation of powerful programming. Python is easy to read, powerful to use, and trusted worldwide. We're counting down the top 10 Python commands every beginner and programmer must know, along with their real-world uses. First up is print. This command displays text or results on the screen. It's crucial for debugging code and showing final results to users. Try printing "Hello Python" in your terminal. Command number 2 is input. This lets users enter data while your program is running. It's perfect for creating interactive programs, forms, and quizzes. Use it like name equals input. Enter your name. At number 3, we have len. This command returns the number of items in a string, list, or tuple. Use it for counting elements and data validation, such as len Python. Fourth on the list is type. This tells you exactly what kind of data you're working with. It's an invaluable tool for debugging and understanding your variables. For example, type 10 will return int. Number 5 is range. This command generates a sequence of numbers, making it essential for creating loops and handling repeated tasks. A common example is, for I in range 5, print I. Our 6th command is sum. As the name suggests, this command adds all values inside a list. It's often used for quick calculations and handling financial data, such as sum 1, 2, 3, 4. At number 7 are max and min. These commands quickly find the highest and lowest values within a dataset, which is crucial for managing scores or performing data analysis. Command number 8 is sorted. This arranges your data in either ascending or descending order. It's perfect for creating rankings and generating structured reports. Use it on a list like sorted 4, 1, 3. Ninth on our list is import. This powerful command allows you to access and use extensive Python libraries for tasks ranging from advanced math and data science to complex automation. Just type import math. Finally, at number 10, we have help. This command explains exactly how any other command or function works, making it your best friend for learning Python and understanding new features. Try help print. These 10 Python commands are the fundamental building blocks of almost every program you'll ever write. Master them, and Python becomes simple, powerful, and fun. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Comment your favorite Python command below, and subscribe for more essential Python tutorials.